Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna let you know about this Xiaomi Mi Home Security CCTV camera, that how we can easily reset this device if we want to reset for any reasons. If we found any problem in this camera, or we facing any connecting issue, or accessing via our mobile phone, or any kind of problem, or if we lost our mobile phone, if we have by mistake uninstalled the app or anything like this, then how we can reset this device. First of all, before proceeding, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to open or install our Mi Home app for resetting this device, because it's very necessary to do so. Click on Mi Home app, and after that we have to click on this plus icon over here. And when we see option that asking us about to scan, we have to scan. But what we have to scan, as you can check out under this camera, you will find this QR code. You have to click on this plus icon, click on scan, and it will open the camera, and you have to scan this. As you can check out, the device is scanned right now, and as you can check out, it's saying that Xiaomi 360 home security camera is about to reset. You want to reset, then process the follow this process, or otherwise you have to click on this reset device. When we click on this reset device, it will start scanning, and in few seconds or few minutes it will scan and reset the device. If you don't able to reset this device via this, we have other option is also available there, that we have to move this camera upward, and here we find a reset pinhole over here. We have to press and hold a mini button is inside this pinhole. We have to press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, and it will reset this device. And after that you can easily use this camera or reconnect with your apps. So hope you understood that how we can easily reset this camera. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.